Sibenik, a city of about 46,000 people, is situated in the Sibenik-Knin County, about 40 km from Primosten and 50 km from Vodice. The Krka River, which flows not far from the city, is an amazing river best known for its Krka National Park. Furthermore, Sibenik is regarded as one of the best starting points for boat trips to the incredible islands of the Kornati National Park. Sibenik is a real gem of the Adriatic and one of the most fascinating cities on the Dalmatian coast. There are many things to do on your vacation, and you'll enjoy the unimaginably lovely atmosphere of the medieval old town. There are old fortresses that provide tourists with a spectacular view of the sheltered harbor. Taking a fun swim is also possible in Sibenik, and there are some lovely beaches for swimming and relaxing all around the place. This town is ideal for an unforgettable vacation or a fast city tour. Sibenik has also grown in popularity as a summer vacation destination. More and more tourists are attracted to this wonderful area as a result of the many excellent hotels, resorts and campsites, ideal for those looking to combine sightseeing with a beach break. As the Adriatic oldest city, Sibenik has a variety of amazing things to do and see. Many of them are found right within the picturesque old town, but there are still many places to visit outside of it. Sibenik is located in a sheltered bay and is connected to the open sea by the picturesque and narrowly winding St. Anthony Channel. A visit to the nature reserve and a hike along the canal are absolute necessary condition. On a walk you can enjoy a spectacular view of Sibenik's old town, the deep blue sea and the nature park's high cliffs. This is a wonderful tour that you cannot skip while you are staying in Sibenik. If you want to go swimming, there are some beautiful beaches in and around Sibenik. The most popular beaches are City Beach Banj, a wonderful pebble beach with picturesque views of the old town, and Amadria Park's wonderful beaches. Sibenik is particularly known for its charming car-free old town, which was built up a hill and with more than 2,800 steps is also known as the City of Stairs. The Cathedral of St. Jacob and the four fortresses of the Venetian defense system, which have been designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, are among the most important attractions in Sibenik. St. Nicola Fortress, which we will show you shortly, is one of these four fortresses. Don't miss out, stay with us till the end. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.